We are recording a video, and guess what we're doing? We're gonna microwave this cheese puff surrounded by mini marshmallows.
And see what happens.
30 seconds.
Yes.
So, are you recording still?
Wait, hold on. Just so nothing gets too bad, I want to put something over it so it doesn't ruin the microwave.
Okay.
Look. Yeah. Can you hold the camera?
Yes, I can.
Thanks. Searching for a lid. This should work.
Thank you.
There we go.
Hopefully it doesn't. Well, we can just wash the lid.
Yeah, I know how to wash the lid.
Well, anyone can wash a lid.
Sure.
Okay, here's the camera. 30 seconds.
Start the timer. And go. I don't know if the heat will radiate through it.
Should.
Should.
It is. It is.
Now you can see it.
No, you have to focus.
It's on brightness.
They should be. Yeah, they're getting bigger.
Oh my.
Wait, take the camera back a bit.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. We'll show you the end results. Oh, wow.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, right now. Yeah, nothing. It's just. Oh, it's warm.
Why is this wet?
Because of the heat. The coldness inside of that and the heat mixed with the microwave.
Cold
Logic.
and warm do not make water.
Then how do storms happen?
Water!
No, with cold and warm. Seriously, this is a half science channel.
See, in Texas, cold and warm make storms.
Okay, we are going to see if the strawberry in the pot explodes.
20 or 30 seconds?
20. Just to be safe.
25 in the middle.
Yeah.
25 seconds, go.
Let's step back.
The thing is, we put a glass lid and it's on the bowl, so it's not gonna, like...
Explode.
If we hear it explode, we'll stop it.
Yeah. It's like, it'll be like a popcorn pop, right?
No, a strawberry is much bigger than a popcorn. Like that.
I said like, not is. What? Okay, nothing happened.
Make something happen.
Maybe.
And then nothing happened.
It's just probably really warm.
20 more seconds?
Yeah.
Okay.
20 seconds.
More.
Go. You can kind of see the strawberry.
I wonder if, because of the seeds create holes in the skin, will make it hard for it to explode.
Possibly.
Wait. No, I thought I heard something.
Okay, let's see
Oh.
the result. What?
Something's happening. It's really steamy.
Yeah, I think that's just from condensation.
20 more.
Yes. 20 more seconds.
25, I don't care.
Yeah.
It's only 5 seconds. But
But-
I think the steam is coming from the juice inside the strawberry.
Yeah. The strawberry juice.
Like I want it. Oh, what? Oh, I think it's leaking.
What?
The strawberry.
Oh, we're sucking all the moisture out of it. I get it.
No. I mean, like, because the heat makes it expand and stuff.
Cold is contrast.
Oh, yeah. You can see it now.
Oh.
Oh, whoa. It smells so good.
It melted.
Wait. It smells good.
Maybe this is how they make those tinted candles.
20 more seconds. 20 more.
What's that?
And
What he said was ultimate experiment in a really epic voice. Do it again.
ultimate experiment.
Don't wake up the neighbors. Okay, no, probably no one's sleeping at this hour.
At this hour,
Okay, so we have it
old
set-
people. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. If it all does not melt in 30 seconds, we will set it for longer. And we have no lid over it because I think it's too big for a lid.
Like, I can tell it's melting, but like...
It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah. Like, for the people, you can just get really close, but for the cameras, it can't focus right.
There we go. You can kind of see it, right?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments if you can see it.
Let us know in the comments if you're actually watching this video.
Or if you're just playing it for random enjoyment.
Oh, it didn't melt all the way.
Okay, more.
Wait, 30. 1.
Dun dun dun. If this does not work, do 61 seconds.
61 seconds.
Like total.
Yeah.
Because we did 30 and now 31. Yeah. Easy math.
Eat.
Hi, Dad.
Hey.
Hey, what up? I got your message. I didn't
Oh,
answer.
thank
so.
you. That's okay.
Hey, you two, I need a hand. Come on.
Look at our new dessert in the description. Look at this creation.
Yes, it is of the marshmallows.
Only eat it if you don't have diabetes.
Yeah.
I don't want to use a spoon because I feel like I don't want to ruin the flatware.
It won't.
I feel like it would. Where'd you even get these forks? No, wrong one. Wait, it's the wrong, no, it's the right one. Maybe.
Yeah, it's the right one.
Oh, it goes there.
Okay, and it has the corn puffs because some parents may not let their children hear the word that it is actually called.
Marshmallows?
No, the corn puffs. And I don't want to mention the brand name so we don't get sued.
They're not gonna sue us.
Whatever. So, it
You-
basically tastes cheesy and sweet at the same time.
We ruined this. We ruined it. We ruined the marshmallows.
The best way I could describe it is like when you put sugar on buttery popcorn. That's the best way I could describe it. No, like
Good.
if you eat melted chocolate over hot popcorn.
Hey,
Ew.
how's it going?
This is for Knox.
For Knox?